Pay attention to earthquakes. What to do during earthquake at the workplace. First of all, be calm and do not panic. Drop, cover and stay still next to a solid object. Crouch down, huddle up under a sturdy table or next to a sturdy object. Hold on to this table or object. Cover your head and your neck with your hands to protect your head and neck. Definitely stay away from balcony, stairs and elevator. Go out by following the announcements, instructions of the authorities. Never move before their instructions. If you panic and overact, you may harm each other. Or never go out before the shaking ends, because most of the injuries and deaths occur while running away from the buildings. Join the Safe Life and local disaster volunteer trainings and do exercises to learn what to do before, during and after an earthquake.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, the last number, sir. Complete.